Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to start a review exercise number 3. First of all, here is our question number 1. Let's read its statement. 4 options are given against each statement. Encircle the correct one. Our first statement is only 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are used in. Option D is correct. System with base 5. Our second statement is the place value of 10 raised to power 3 is D option 1000. Our third statement is within a bracket we have 100 with base 2 in decimal system is written as. Here is our answer, option B 4. How it came? Let's towards its solution. Here we gave within a bracket 100 with base 2, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2. We gave exponent 0, 1, 2. 1 will write as it is into 2 2s are 4 plus 0 will write as it is into 2 raised to power 1 means 2 plus 0 into 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 0 into 2 we got 0 plus 0 into 1 we got 0. Then 4 plus 0 we got 4. So our correct option is option B, which is equal to 4. Our fourth MCQ is 304 with base 5 is decimal system is written as. Our correct answer is option B 79. Let's towards its solution. Here we gave 304 with base 5, 3 into 5 plus 0 into 5 plus 4 into 5. We gave exponent 0, 1, 2. 3 will write as it is into 5 square means 25 plus 0 will write as it is into 5 raised to power 1 means 5 plus 4 into 1. Then 3 into 25 we got 75 plus 0 into 5 we got 0 plus 4 into 1 we got 4. Then by adding 75 and 4 we got 79, which is option B. Our fifth MCQ is 1 1 with base 2 plus 1 0 with base 2 is equal to question mark. Our correct option is option B 101 with base 2. Let's towards its solution. Here they gave us 1 1 with base 2 plus 1 0 with base 2. 1 will write as it is because when we add 1 plus 0 we got 1. Then 1 plus 1 we got 2. We cannot write 2, so we will divide it with 2. Here 2 1s are 2 and 0 is our remainder. So we will write first 0 and then 1. So our answer is 101 with base 2. Correct option is option B. Our sixth MCQ is 3 with base 5 into 4 with base 5. Our correct option is option A 2 2 with base 5. Let's toward its solution. Here we have 3 with base 5 and 4 with base 5. When we multiply 4 into 3 we got 12. We cannot write 12 as it is, so we will divide it. 5 to the 10 and 2 is our remainder. So we will write here firstly our remainder, then our quotient. Then option A 2 2 with base 5 is a correct option. Our next MCQ is 4 0 0 with base 5 minus 3 3 with base 5. The correct option is option A 3 1 2 with base 5. Let's toward its solution. Here is a number given to us 4 0 0 with base 5 and here our second number given to us 3 3 with base 5. We cannot subtract 3 from 0, so we will take carry from the last digit, but here you can see that we have 0. We will take carry from the last digit. When we take carry from here, as you all know that in such questions the carry equal to base, so our carry will be 5 here. So when we gave carry to the next, here the carry is 5 and here we left 4. Then 5 minus 3 we got 2, 4 minus 3 we got 1, and as you all know that we gave carry from here, so here we left 3, so we will write here 3. So our correct option is option A 3 1 2 with base 5. Now students, here is our question number 2. Answer the following questions. Our first question is define the binary system. Its definition is on page number 40 or as well as in the summary point number 1. Here is the answer. Starting from here, the number system with base 2 is also called binary number system. This is the definition of binary number system, and here is the answer of first short question. Our second question is write the digits used in octal system. You all know that in octal system we have base 8 and we have all the digits less than 8 in the octal number system. So we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then next, our third question is define decimal number system. Its answer is in summary. Here the second last point, decimal number system is a place value system in which value of each position is some power of 10 starting from 0 onwards. This is the answer of our third short question. Then our next question is which is the biggest digit used in system with base 2. You all know that in base 2 system we use only 2 digits 0 and 1, and they are asking about the biggest digit, so 1 is the biggest digit. Now student, let's move towards the question number 3. Here is our question number 3. Express the following as decimal numbers. You all know that how to convert the base numbers into the decimal number. Let's start its solution. Our part 3 is 2003 with base 5. Let's start its solution. Firstly, we will multiply all the digits with the base which is 5 given to us. 2 into 5 plus 0 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 5. Now we will give exponent 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 will write as it is into 5 cube means 125 plus 0 will write as it is 5 square means 25 plus 0 will write as it is 5 raised to power 1 means 5 plus 3 as it is into 1 because here we have 5 raised to power 0. Now we will multiply 2 into 125 we got 250 plus 0 into 25 we got 0 plus 0 into 5 we got 0 plus 3 into 1 we got 3. By adding both numbers 250 and 3 we got 253. So 2003 with base 5 is equal to 253 in decimal number system. This is our answer. Now students, let's move towards the fourth part, 3276 with base 8. Firstly, we will multiply all the digits with the base given to us. 3 into 8 plus 2 into 8 plus 7 into 8 plus 6 into 8. Now we will give exponent 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 will write as it is into 8 cube means we will multiply 8 3 times, so we have 512 plus 2 will write as it is into 8 square means 64 plus 7 will write as it is into 8 raised to power 1 means 8 plus 6 into 1. Now we will multiply 3 into 512 we got 1536 plus 2 into 64 we got 128 plus 7 into 8 we got 56 plus 6 into 1 we got 6. Now we will add all the digits to get the answer. So by adding all the digits we have 1726. So 3276 with base 8 is equal to 1726, which is our answer. Now students, let's move towards the part 5th, 1134 with base 5. Firstly, we will multiply all the digits with its base. 1 into 5 plus 1 into 5 plus 3 into 5 plus 4 into 5. Now we will give exponent 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 will write as it is into 5 cube means 125 plus 1 will write as it is into 5 square means 25 plus 3 as it is into 5 raised to power 1 means 5 plus 4 as it is into 1 because here we have 5 raised to power 0. Now we will multiply 1 into 125 we got 125 plus 1 into 25 we got 25 plus 3 into 5 we got 15 plus 4 into 1 we got 4. By adding all the numbers we have 169. So 1134 with base 5 is equal to 169, which is our answer. Now students, here is our question number 4. Convert the following into numbers with base 5 and octal system. Here we have third part 2640. Firstly, we will convert it in base 5 system and then we will convert in octal system. Now students, this is our successive division method to convert 2640 in base 5 system. We will convert it with base 5. 5 5s are 25, 1 gave carry to the next number, we have 14, then 5 2s are 10, 4 carry to the next number, we have 40, 5 8s are 40 and 0 is our remainder. 5 1s are 5, here we are taking two digits at the same time, so we will write here 0 and 5 5s are 25, 3 is our remainder. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5 and 0 is our remainder. 5 4s are 20 and 1 is our remainder. So our answer is 41030 with base 5. Now we will convert 2640 in octal system. we will divide it with our base 8. 8 3s are 24, we gave carry to the next number, we have 24. 8 3s are 24, 0 will write as it is and 0 is a remainder. Then 8 4s are 32, we gave 1 carry to the next number, we have 10. 8 1s are 8 and 2 is a remainder. Then 8 5s are 40 and 1 is a remainder. So our answer is 5120 with base 8. So we will write our answer as 2640 is equal to 41030 with base 5 and 2640 is equal to 5120 with base 8. Now students, let's move towards our part 4, which is given to us 51605. Firstly, we will convert in base 5 number system. Now we will divide 51605 with our base 5. 5 ones are 5, we are taking 2 digits at the same time, so we will put 0 here. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry to the next number, we have 10. 5 2s are 10 and 5 ones are 5, 0 is a remainder. 5 2s are 10, we are taking 2 digits at the same time, so we will write here 0. 5 6 are 30, 2 carry to the next number, we have 21. 5 4s are 20 and 1 is a remainder. 5 4s are 20, 5 ones are 5, 1 carry to the next number, we have 14. 5 2s are 10 and 4 is a remainder. 5 8s are 40, 1 carry, then we have 12. 5 2s are 10 and 2 is a remainder. 5 1s are 5, 3 carry, we have 32. 5 6 are 30, 2 is a remainder. 5 3s are 15 and 1 is a remainder. So in base 5 system, we have our answer 3122410 with base 5. Now student, here we convert 51605 in octal system. We will divide it with base 8. 8 6 are 48, then we gave 3 carry to the next number, we have 36. 8 4s are 32, 4 carry to the next number, we have 40. Then 8 5s are 40, we cannot divide 5 with 8, so we will write here 0 and 5 is a remainder. Then 8 8s are 64, we are taking 2 digits at the same time, so we will write here 0. 8 6 are 48 and 2 is a remainder. 8 1s are 8, 0 will write as it is, we cannot divide 6 with 8, so we will write here 0 and 6 is our remainder. Then 8 1s are 8, we have left 2, we will give it carry to the next number, we have 20. 8 2s are 16 and 4 is our remainder. 8 1s are 8 and 4 is our remainder. So in octal system, we have an answer 14465 with base 8. So we will write answer as 51605 is equal to 3122410 with base 5 and 51605 is equal to 14465 with base 8. Here is our part 5 given to us, having number 898. Firstly, we will convert into the base 5 system. We will divide it with our base 5. 5 ones are 5, we gave carry 3 to the next number, we have 39. 5 7s are 35, we gave carry 4 to the next number, we have 48. Then 5 9s are 45 and 3 is our remainder. Then 5 3s are 15, 2 carry to the next number, we have 29. 5 5s are 25 and 4 is our remainder. 5 7s are 35, 0 is our remainder. 5 1s are 5, 2 is our remainder. So our answer is 12043 with base 5 in base 5 system. Here is the conversion of 898 into the octal system. We will divide it with our base 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 1 carry to the next number, we have 18. 8 2s are 16 and 2 is our remainder. Then 8 1s are 8, we gave carry to the next number, then 8 4s are 32, 0 is our remainder. 8 1s are 8 and 6 is our remainder. So in octal system, we have answer 1602 with base 8. So we will write answer as 898 is equal to 12043 with base 5, and in octal system, we have our answer 1602 with base 8. I hope students, you understand all these questions very well. Take care.